How can I create automated email campaigns in LISTSERV Maestro? LISTSERV Maestro offers powerful automation features that allow you to set up email campaigns that are automatically delivered when certain criteria are met. In this tutorial, let's set up a repeating email job that is automatically sent out every morning, but only to those subscribers whose birthday it is that day. To take a look at our subscriber list, open the main menu and go to Subscriber Warehouse. Click on the list name of interest to see all of your subscribers and their profile fields. When anyone subscribes to this list, one of the required profile fields is the person's date of birth. Now, to set up the automated job, use the main menu and click on Mail Jobs. Open the job of interest, click on the Define Recipient step and select the list to which you'd like to send your message. Now, instead of sending the job to all of the subscribers, click on the Advanced Subscriber Selection option, followed by Next. Then click on Edit Search Condition. You will now see all of the subscribers on your list and their profile fields. Now click on the magnifying glass icon under the birthday column and add a condition. Select the marks an anniversary on a given day and relative to the date of delivery options. Here, you can enter, for example, 1 if you'd like the message to be delivered the day before a subscriber's birthday, or 0 if you'd like the message to be delivered on the actual birthday. After you click the OK button, you will see a preview of the subscribers who would receive the message if it were delivered today. Click the Use as Recipients button to finalize the selection. You can now proceed through the content, tracking, and sender definition steps as with any other job. On the delivery scheduling step, enter the date and time you'd like the first message to be sent out and enable the advanced scheduling options. Here, select Auto Repeat Delivery. And since we're sending out a birthday greeting, choose a 1-day delivery interval. You can choose to either keep the job running indefinitely until you manually stop it, or you can enter a fixed end date for the job. Click the Save button to finish this step. Now, when you authorize the delivery of the job, the system will send the first message on the date and time of your choosing to only those subscribers whose birthday it is on that day. The system will then repeat this process every day at the same time. If no subscribers have a birthday on a given day, then nothing is sent out, and LISTSERV Maestro will check again the following day. This type of auto-repeat job can technically be left running for years, and whenever new subscribers join, they will automatically receive the birthday message on the date of their next birthday. Thank you for watching.